Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click the link below to learn more and claim your special discount. Act fast. This offer won't last forever.
Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So as for the 15th August, the freedom offer, we have been giving you mega freedom offer with the 15th August, that is a Independent Day. It's our National Independence Day. So we thought to bring you the special offers of the 15th August, the Independent Day. It's valid till the 15th August of night. Before 12 it will be going to be valid our offer, and in this offer we have a special freedom offers, that is mega deal is 12 tester that we have been charging you. Before that it is like 1500 rupees, that is 1499 rupees, but in the freedom offer we have been giving you 12 testers only for 599 rupees with the real devices, 12 testers with the feedback, and make sure your app should be give live. There is a very good offer that compared to the other services who has charging you around like a 2000 or 2500 rupees. Some people are charging you $100 also, but due to the freedom offer, as an Indian, so many people has been facing a problem. So many people has been requested to us to reduce the price of our testers. So in this freedom we have been giving on this 15th August, we are giving you the offer of 499 rupees only for the 12 tester till your app get live. It's not only for the tester that the installing and all those things. Till we make sure that your app should be get live, it should be pass your 12 tester. Okay, so in this is it is our first offer, that is a mega offer of 12 tester services. And the next offer is that so many people requested us to for the task rewarded app, for the task rewarded app. So many people requested to reduce the prices, and so many people, so each and customer we quotation according to the their hosting, the providing, and the admin panel, all those things we have been charging you differently. But in this offer we have been providing you the second offer, we have been providing you the rewarded task application app with an admin panel with the multiple ad network, that is Unity, AdMob, Appilove, and Startup app, and all those things. It's like in a 7 ad network you will have. Everything will be controlled by the admin panel. We have been providing you with an admin panel, the rewarded app, that is only 5999 rupees only, with 12 tester services included in that, and the admin panel is included in that, ad networks has included that, and update also has been included in that. Okay, you will going to get an admin panel, and apart from the complete setup, we will going to publish your app in your own console. The console will be yours, and it's all with admin panel, and the ad network you can able to control from admin panel. And we will going to give your logo, the app logo, with the app name also we will going to provide you app name, app logo. And apart from the admin panel, which you can able to control each and everything from the admin panel only. And apart from that, we will going to publish your app in the Play Console, and we will do the 12 tester services also in that. It's everything is included only 5999 rupees only. Usually everybody will take so much amount, but we have been providing you only 5999 rupees only, within a good offer for you, with a admin panel and each and everything be added. This is a bonus point for you, that is a complete package we have been providing you. Who were requested, please let us know. This is your flash number, it's going on in the WhatsApp number. You can able to call us and you can WhatsApp to us. We'll give you the best service to you. And the 12 tester is 599, and the task rewarded application is only for 5999 rupees only. It's valid till 15th August midnight, before 12 o'clock. The offer will be valid. After that there is no offer. Apart from that, we have been added some more services for you, and it's we have been added more services for you. So you can see the screenshot also here, that bonus services you can able to offer for freedom. Freedom, this is 15th August, that is Play Console publishing support. There's so many people, they do not know how to publish their app, so we have been providing you the services also in that. And that is only for 1999 only, who want to publish their apps in their own console. They want tech support, it will going to cost you 1199 rupees only. It's valid till 15th August midnight, before 12 o'clock in club. And second other offer is App Store optimizers ASO, that is cost you only 1000 499 rupees only. It till valid till 15th August. Okay, and there is other one or services that professional app logo and screenshot designs. It's cost you only 999. We will give you some for 4 to 5 samples. You have to select the logo according to your name, and we will going to design the screenshot according to your app. We will going to whatever the screenshots resolution required, we will going to provide you only for 999 rupees only. And the terms and condition and private policy also will going to generate only for 499 rupees. And basic apps, bugs and professional booster we will going to provide you only for 1499 rupees only. Whoever require the services, please contact us and avail this offer.